Assalamu alaikum, grade 2, and a good evening to all of you. How are you all doing? Great. That's very good. Yes, I'm also good. Alhamdulillah. Thank you. And welcome to your social studies class. In today's class, we will be continuing with the topic that we started in yesterday's class, that which is related to a safety, right? So in yesterday's class, we discussed few things which can keep us safe, right? And in that we discussed, let's say, that how we can keep ourselves safe from fire, how we can keep ourselves safe from accidents, how we can keep ourselves safe from different dangers, right? And then we discuss some safety measures as well. Let's say we're not supposed to play around the road, right, or close to the road. We're not supposed to touch something which is hot, or we're not supposed to play with fire, right? Another thing was that we are not supposed to touch the electric wires, or not put your hand or your finger in the electric socket, right? Beside that, we also discussed that we are not supposed to put our hand or head out from the window of the car, because this is very dangerous and we can come across any type of accident, right? In today's class we will be discussing that how safety is related to our health. Got it? So we will prolong that thing and we will discuss, let's say, that the safety measures that we take, how they add up to our health, right? Or how they add up to our healthy routine. Okay, so let's say the very first thing that we discussed, that we're not supposed to touch the electric wires, right? So they keep us from the all types of dangers, all types of shocks, and then we, yes, we remain healthy. Similarly, it is very dangerous to play with fire. So when you will play with fire, you can burn your skin. So when you will not, your skin will be fit, right? So before moving forward or discussing which are things that we should or should not do, I want you to please open your book, page number 54. Let's start with the reading of this page. All of you have opened it? Okay, great. So, it is not safe to play on a roof with low boundary walls. You may fall off and be badly injured. You might have heard about different types of accidents, especially during that the kids, they were flying the kite and they fell from the rooftop, right? So you might have heard different types of such news on television news, or from somebody in your society, that the kid fell, right? So if your rooftop, on your roof, if the boundary wall is not perfect, you should not go on the rooftop and you should not play over there, because it's not safe for you, right? If you may fail, you can badly injure yourself, or it can kill you as well, if the roof is at a very height, right? Then it says that be careful when you use sharp objects. Well, at your age, I will not suggest you to use sharp objects. This is not good. And I know that your parents also do not allow you to use the sharp objects, but still, if you are like it is very needed that you want to cut something with the scissor, or you want to cut a fruit for you with the knife. So this is very, very important to be very careful, so that you may not, yes, you may not cut your stab, right? You may not cut your hand, or you may not stab yourself. So this is very important. Another thing is that always put rubbish in the dustbin. Dirt and filth spread diseases. Now this is another safety measure, that you are supposed to put all types of rubbish, all types of things in the dustbin. If you will not properly dispose of the garbage, it can spread a lot of diseases, and we will discuss what are the diseases as well. Then the next image says that never take medicines on your own. See, even if you are not feeling well, but do not take the medicines on your own. You can consult a doctor, or you can take advice from your parents as well. Do take only which your mother give you, right? Medicines may harm you if they are not for you. The medicines are made for specific age persons. Let's say this, you can use this medicine only for the people who are above 12 years of age, right? And if you are not 12 year and you drink that or you eat that, it can cause you harm, right? Then it says that keep floors clean and dry so that you do not slip over. This, it is advisable to not walk on a slippery floor, on a wet floor, right? Because in that case as well, you may fall. And see that a person has thrown the pickle of banana over here, and the other person fell down. So this is now this thing is again linked to the proper disposable of the rubbish, the garbage, right? And at last it says that do not talk to people you do not know, right? Or in other words, do not talk to strangers. because do not go with them or eat food they offer you. They may want to harm you, right? You might have heard many incidents of kidnappings of little kids or children, and the planning which they use, or the idea they use, is the same, that they give the kids some sweets, on which they spread some spray or some, anesthesia type thing, and then they take the kid with themselves. So the person whom you do not know, do not eat anything after taking it from him, and do not go with him as well, right? Okay, so these were some things which were discussed in your book. Now, some more points or some more health safety measures that you are supposed to do is, which are very very important all the time, but which are very important in nowadays, is that when you came back to your home after from outside, you are supposed to wash your hands properly for 20 seconds. You see, in this COVID time, we are having this fear. Everybody is having this fear that they may come across any type of disease, they may come across this COVID attack. So in order to keep yourself safe, do wear your mask properly whenever you go outside, and do wash your hands properly whenever you come from outside. Maybe you shake hand with somebody who was having this disease. Maybe the person is having flu or any type of virus, and when he sneezes, all of the germs were on his hand, and when he shakes hand with you, the germs were transferred to your hand. So whenever you come, the very important thing is also that do not touch your nose and your eyes with the hands when you are outside, right? Then wash your hands properly before eating and after eating as well. This is also very important. Okay, now, let me share the screen again with you. Let's discuss some diseases which can happen as a result of that. The very common diseases that you will be having a stomach pain, right? When kids, when they eat the food which is not healthy, which was not clean, you feel stomach pain. Similarly, when you do not wash your hands properly and you eat something, you may come across same types of diseases, which are diarrhea, which are nausea. So this is very important to wash your hands properly and take care of yourself, right? This is how safety and cleanliness are linked to each other, that when you keep yourself safe, when you keep yourself clean, you are basically doing what? Keeping yourself healthy. Got it? Okay. And the last but not the least is one more thing which it adds something to your personality. See, the one kid is clean, he's very happy, and he looks very cute, right? Now look at the other one, he is dirty, so he's not looking good, right? So cleanliness also adds to your personality, right? So you are supposed to make yourself clean, you are supposed to brush your teeth every day, you are supposed to wash your hands, wash your face, take a bath every day. This will adds to your personality, and people will love to sit and talk to you. Okay, so now I'm going to share the screen with you. There is this interesting video that we will be watching together, and then we will end the class. Okay,
Yeah, come on everybody. What do we do when we start our day? We wake up on, get off our bed. Pick the toothbrush and brush our teeth. Shine and fresh, with no bad breath. Take a shower and wash ourselves. Do it thorough and rinse our hair. Whoa, oh, yeah. Yeah, now. Wear clean clothes and look so sharp. Brush our hair. Yeah, brush our hair and have a great start. Hurrah! Yeah. What do we do when we start our day? Look clean, fresh, and sharp. every day. Yeah, everybody, stay clean.
Okay, so you have seen that in the video, all of the kids, they were very good. They were washing their hands properly. They were brushing their teeth. Now, what I want you is to open your notebook, right? Write down the definition of safety, cleanliness, and healthy, right? Or good health, right? Make a definitions of something or whatever do you understand by these terms. I want you to write down it on your notebook, okay? So hurry up, take out your notebooks, prepare a page, write today's date, and make definition by yourself of these words. Hurry up. Yes. All of you have written. Okay, show it to me one by one. Okay, very well done. Okay, class, that was all for today. Hope you guys enjoyed the lecture. Do share this video with others because it's free learning. I'll be seeing you tomorrow. Take care. Allah Hafiz.